पेरेंट्स, वेलकम टू मोस्टली मॉम। आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट हाउ टू ट्रीट कॉफ एंड कोल्ड इन बेबीज। इट इज़ दिवाली सीजन, so we understand that there are a lot of pollutants in the air, plus there is a changing weather which contributes a lot towards our children catching cough and cold very easily. So in today's video I'm going to tell you about 8 remedies that you can follow at home. Apart from that, I'm going to tell you about when to visit your pediatrician regarding cold in kids. So quickly let's start. The first thing that you can start when your baby catches cold is a saline solution. This is a saline solution by Otrivin. Generally Nasoclear is used for newborns. My children are 2 plus, so that is why I started using this saline solution. Saline solution is nothing but salt water, so it actually melts the mucus that comes through either cough or through potty of the children. The second remedy for cold is steam. Steam is something that we have extensively used during COVID time, and we all know the benefits of steam now. Steam actually clears the nasal passages, or it melts the mucus. So you have to give steam to the children. जस्ट इन केस अगर आपका बच्चा 1 साल से छोटा है तो आप रूम में उसके पास स्टीमर चलाकर छोड़ दीजिए. वो एज अ ह्यूमिडिफायर भी काम करता है. दैट मीन्स कि आपके रूम की एयर ह्यूमिड हो जाती है, इट डजेंट गेट ड्राई, तो उनके नेजल पैसेजेस में उससे भी उनको आराम पड़ता है. एंड जस्ट इन केस यू हैव अ टॉडलर, यू कैन एक्चुअली गिव देम स्टीम in front of you, like while you are around, and they can take steam on their own. The third thing that you need to take care is to give extra fluid to the child, because extra fluids helps secreting the waste material out of our body. So it is really important. Just in case अगर आपका बच्चा breast milk पर है, make sure that you give them extra breast milk, because breast milk has antibodies which help the child to deal with cough and cold. And just in case आपका बच्चा खाना खाता है and they are on formula milk, you can actually increase the intake of water with respect to boiled water, hot milk, coffee, etc. The fourth remedy of cold is hot press. By hot press I mean these gel bottles. I generally use these kind of gel bottles for my kids. These come with a charger, and you can charge in from here, and again you can just detach the wire and put this bottle near the chest of the baby. Just in case you don't have these kind of gel bottles, it is absolutely alright. You can use tawa for hot press. What you have to do is make sure that your tawa is hot, put some cloth on it, and put that cloth on the chest. Make sure that the cloth does not become very hot, otherwise it can leave burn marks on the child's chest. But this hot press actually melts down the mucus that comes through, again, potty or cough. So it will really help your child dealing with cold. Fifth thing that you can do is to elevate your child. Generally आपने देखा होगा when you have cold, it is really difficult for us to breathe while lying down. So अगर आपके छोटे से बेबी को कोल्ड हो रखा है, so make sure that you elevate them. That means you can put 2 or 3 pillows and you can elevate their heads so that they can breathe properly and sleep. उनसे उनको कोल्ड में स्लीपिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प होती है. एंड वी ऑल नो हाउ मच रेस्ट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, especially during when you're not feeling well or when you are sick. Next to our home remedies that I generously follow, number 1 is homemade Vicks. मैंने अपने पिछले वीडियो में भी आपको बताया था कि आप होममेड विक्स कैसे बना सकते हैं. एनीवेज, अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है, ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज़ टेक अ लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ घी एंड लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ कैम्फर. उन्हें एक चम्मच में रखिए, उन्हें गर्म कीजिए. लेट द घी एंड कैम्फर मेल्ट एंड देयर यू गो, योर विक्स इज़ रेडी. सो यू हैव टू टेक दैट lukewarm oil and put it on the chest and rub it on the feet of your child. It will really soothe them with respect to cold. Second home remedy that works wonders with me is homemade oil. That means I generally take mustard oil, put some garlic in it, and put some cloves in it. I burn that oil to the level that garlic turns dark brown, and take that oil. Sieving it really helps, using it on regular basis, and you can store this oil for almost a month. तो जब भी सर्दियाँ आए, you can actually use this oil for baby massage, and again the babies really get soothed with this oil. Apart from homemade oils, I prefer giving homemade concoction to my kids. That is tulsi, ginger and water concoction. What I do is that I take 1 glass of water, put some tulsi leaves, put some ginger, let them boil for some time. Once that 1 glass of water turns to half glass and the color of the tulsi leaves changes. I take off that water, put it to cool, and then I use this concoction to give it to my children like 4 to 5 times a day, and it really works wonders in their cold. The last remedy on my list today, again it's a USP of my channel where I provide you homeopathy solutions also. One is Allium cepa 30 and another one is Sambucus nigra 30. I generally end up giving 2 drops each 4 times a day to my kids when they are facing cold. And for cough I prefer Bryonia alba 30. And but please make sure that these are something that my doctor has recommended me. Please do not take these medicines without your pediatric recommendations. So now जब आपको रेमेडीज पता चल गई हैं, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो जहाँ पर मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि आपको कोल्ड एंड कॉफ में कब अपने बच्चों को डॉक्टर के पास लेकर जाने की ज़रूरत है. जनरली कोल्ड एंड कॉफ आर नॉट दैट सिवियर इन किड्स. आपको पता है 8 to 9 bouts cold is very normal for within in fact the 1 year of your child life. So it is absolutely normal. However, अगर आपको लगे कि बच्चों का कोल्ड और कॉफ 1 वीक से ज़्यादा परसिस्ट कर रहा है, दैट मीन्स दे आर कॉफिंग रेगुलरली, सो यू हैव टू टेक देम टू द डॉक्टर. हो सकता है उनको कोई चेस्ट इन्फेक्शन हो या हो सकता है उनको कोई ब्रोंकाइटल इन्फेक्शन हो, सो यू नीड टू गेट इट चेक्ड. Number 2 is when your child actually complains of ear pain, so you need to run to your doctor because बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि बच्चों को ईयर इन्फेक्शन होता है जिसकी वजह से उनको कोल्ड होता है और वो आपको 1 वीक बाद पता चलता है. सो डेफिनेटली इफ़ योर चाइल्ड इज़ कंप्लेनिंग ऑफ ईयर पेन यू नीड टू गेट टू योर डॉक्टर. एंड नंबर 3 इज़ अगर उनको कोल्ड की सिवियरिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है, दैट मीन्स दे आर नॉट इवन एबल टू स्लीप and they are coughing throughout the night, so definitely you need to visit your pediatrician. Otherwise in home remedies से definitely आपको फ़र्क ज़रूर दिखेगा. सो आई होप आफ्टर दिस वीडियो आप बहुत क्लियर होंगे कि आपको कॉफ एंड कोल्ड कैसे मैनेज करना है अपने बेबीज़ में थ्रू होम रेमेडीज़. जस्ट इन केस आपके और कोई भी क्वेरीज हैं, डू लीव अ कॉमेंट बिलो एंड आई विल श्योरली गेट बैक टू यू. सो टिल आई अपलोड माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो ऑन फ्राइडे, stay safe and stay subscribed. Bye bye.